Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link Trust Wallet to Metamask. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to link Trust Wallet to Metamask, follow the steps. Tap Open your Trust Wallet app from the app drawer. Once you're logged into your account, tap on the Settings button at the lower right-hand corner. Now, tap on Wallets at the top and press the three dots right next to your wallet. You'll be able to see Show Recovery Phrase button. Tap on that and reveal your recovery phrase. But remember to never share your recovery phrases with anyone since you might lose your fund. Now tap on I understand the risk at the bottom and tap Continue. Your recovery phrase will be shown in the display. Copy your recovery phrase by tapping on Copy. Now, simply go ahead and tap Open your Metamask application. If you don't have it downloaded yet, go visit your Play Store or your App Store and download the application and tap it open. The first interface of Metamask will look like this. Tap on the Get Started button and tap on Import using Secret Recovery Phrase. Tap on I agree after going through what it has to say, and right where it says Secret Recovery Phrase, you need to go ahead and type in the recovery phrases that you copied from Trust Wallet in the first text box. Now simply type in a new password into the text box beneath. You can type in any password of your choice. Confirm the password in the next field where it says Confirm Password. Make sure to type in the same password that you just created. And finally, tap on Import. Once you do that, you'll be able to see that your Trust Wallet was imported to your Metamask. By default, the wallet will be Ethereum Main Network, and this is where your tokens are displayed. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.